I haven't dyed my hair yet. I was supposed to do it last week, but I guess something came up. I was thinking I should do a mood board, or not a mood board, a dream board. I saw Luna Montana do this on YouTube. I love her videos and I thought it was such a good idea. I'm gonna do it on my computer though. This is how it turned out. I love it so much. I want to do more exercising, but I really hate it. This one really resonated with me. I really want to get more clothing like this, like just super comfy. I'm trying to make a handmade style bundle, so I put this sewing picture. I've been really into hair care recently, so I really want to get long silky hair. My skin is pretty bad right now, but that is because I'm using retinols, so I put this skincare picture here because I really want to figure my skin out. I'm really not happy with our interior right now. It is okay, but yeah, we're trying to save up money, but hopefully in the future my home can look like this. This one is pretty self-explanatory. It's just money. I want to do more ballet at home. And the last one, I want to get my dream wardrobe. In the next clips I will be tinting my eyelashes or dyeing my hair, whatever happens first. I'm finally done. We took some photos as well. It's February 1st already, so there's like 2-3 days till my birthday. I'm hoping to bake a cake. I actually bought things yesterday. I was supposed to film, but I forgot. But yeah, first I was gonna do these because I think they work really well for a birthday, but I might actually do these because it's a heart and it's almost Valentine's as well. But first I probably should do my eyelashes. Unfortunately, I didn't put like any eyelash serum on my lashes, so they're just my normal length. I was supposed to do that, but time just flew by. I have 3 left of these, so what am I gonna do next time? I honestly hate this thing. It doesn't like fit underneath my eye. I don't know. It goes up so much on the sides. Oh my god. I wonder what that looks like on camera because I can see nothing. Anyways, back. Anyways, let me film. Okay. How am I gonna put this on our eyelashes? This is like the hardest part. I don't know how to get a lot on your actual lashes. Like, it feels like it doesn't stick at all when I do this, but my hair is a little bit in the way. Like, am I doing anything? It's time to put this on. I don't know if this is too much, but it's working. But my hair's, I need to cut my bangs. Okay, so I'm finally doing the nails. So first I'm gonna shorten them a little bit. They're so cute. So I was trying to pick out an outfit before, and I really wanted to wear something strawberry themed or something red because we're going strawberry picking, and I'm so excited to do that. But I wanted a cute outfit that's kind of themed, but I also wanted something that is more, I don't know what to call it, but like more formal, like a dress or something, like more not so casual. It's the next day. Here are my nails, by the way. And today I'm gonna choose my outfit. It's probably gonna be this one. And I'm also going to bake a cake. Also, I can choose what outfit my partner's gonna wear. So if I'm gonna wear that, I kind of want him to wear something light. Honestly, it doesn't have that many light colors because menswear usually doesn't. Here are the ones I picked out. What about this one underneath this? I think this one might be too thick, but what about this one on top of this? This is very simple, but I do like the colors. That one would match so well if I was wearing this one. This has some pinks in it, which I think would work with this one. So I have this one, or he has this one. I feel like it's a little bit too saturated, but the style is very similar still. This cute little face. I feel like they don't really match, but if we do some white pants or something, I think we could do one of these mock necks underneath at least. I wish this had a collar so we could put this underneath and it will stick out. Let me try it with my collar. This one is very cute. Like, I think he would look so adorable wearing this. I love it. And I've got a little bit of white that matches with my dress. I don't know how I feel about the white pants. I definitely think this is an option, but I guess I should try this out first because I'm gonna wear this one underneath and I haven't tried that before, so I don't know if it's gonna look stupid. I just put together another outfit that I think would work well. It's a little bit more simpler but still cute. Okay, it looks kind of stupid. Don't mind this. Oh my god, I can't even wear 2 layers. I don't know if I like it. This looks so Japanese. Like, this is how Japanese people would style it, I think. I look like a fucking potato. Here it is with the jacket. This has to be the cutest card. Oh my god. So I got a new foundation basically. I used to have this, but this one is too dark, but it is the lightest shade. This one is more my shade, but it kind of dries me out. It's probably gonna look pretty bad. Like, no makeup works on me. I look like an idiot. I think I'm ready. Here's my outfit. But I don't know what shoes to wear. I definitely think I like these the most, but these are also cute and it is cold, so I might do these. I can do this. Jag sätter på den här då. Den sitter inte så bra för formen. Yeah.
ここですか？はい、ありがとうございます。
We came to the wrong strawberry place, which is kind of embarrassing. So we're gonna go to the other place. We got these.
こちらにください。
これ1パックだけだったので。
はい、わかりました。
We're now at the right place.
Jag måste stänga.
Kan du stänga? Men den är lite vit, men... Eller gul menar jag.
B.
Den verkar god.
Tack. Visa mig.
Men gullig.
Jättestor.
Nice. This one is so funny. What is that shape? Eller jag tar den gröna. Now we're going to Kichijoji. Eller hur?
Yeah.
My hair is frizzy. Now we're gonna eat pasta. Gottis. Jag var rädd om du skulle ta den stora.
Nej, nej. Om vi ska äta pannkaka.
Från Sverige. Oh my god. Zombies öga.
Det kan vara sånt.
Jag kan ju men... Kolla, jag kan köpa gammal lace från Frankrike.
Det är inte bra.
French vintage lace. Och gulliga bilder. What is this? Rör dig då. Massa bebisar. Hallå.
Det var jag säger.
Hallå. Ah, nej, lite annorlunda. Ja. Men inga ribbon. I'm gonna get this. Last stop is this shop. Den vill jag ha.
Jag köper. Chiffon.
Det är bara tröjan va? Var är byxorna? I really want to wear these out but people are gonna stare at me. Right. Especially in Japan. But I really want them. I got a super adorable pajama from here. And now we're gonna drink some lemonade. Eller? Oh. Beautiful. We're finally gonna bake the cake today. And yeah, I'm gonna use the white strawberries as well. I bought this kind of cake and I was wondering if I should make it into a heart shape or I should just do a circle. And I'm gonna put it on this boring plate. So I was thinking if I should put a lot of these. I used to have a big one, but... And here are some items that I might use. By the way, I'm wearing my new PJs I got for my birthday. I think it's probably not that smart to do this first, but that's just how I'm gonna do it. Let's whip some cream. I think it's done. It's a little bit pink. Very light though. Hey mamas. Whoa, it's about to fall. The thing I'm worried about the most is piping. We have two different ones. I don't know how good these are, but we'll do our best. It probably will look very homemade. Probably gonna put the jam and the cream in the middle, and I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do with the strawberries, but maybe put them on top. They're holding up pretty well. The red ones went bad the same day. There's cat hair in here. Stop it. I don't want to eat cat hair. Here. Cat hair. You know? Strawberries. Okay, that's kind of cute actually. And I think the white one works the best. Just put one in the middle. Should I add sprinkles?